On-page SEO is one of the most important processes to achieve a better rank in search engine results, especially on Google. So, if you want to learn, then keep watching this video. In this episode, I'm going to point out the new checklist and the optimization techniques required for the on-page SEO of your website, which will increase your rank over search engine results. Hello everyone, welcome to one of my favorite videos in the world of SEO, which I would highly recommend you to watch it because this is different from all the stuff you already know and can have a wonderful impact on the SEO activity of your website. Also, be sure to click on subscribe and ring the bell next to it. Well, without any further ado, let's deal with the main topic. In my opinion, on-page SEO is a starting point of all SEO process, and if it's not properly optimized for search engine and users, you are going to minimize your chances of getting traffic from search results. First of all, I gotta say what the on-page SEO is. As a short definition, it refers to the whole process which takes place in a website and improves the UX and causes the search engine to have a better understanding of the internal pages of the website. The second question is why on-page SEO is so important. I think the answer to this question is very clear because users are supposed to come to your website and use your services or product. Therefore, if you don't have the appropriate UX, it will cause a good experience not to be created. And eventually the user will leave your site quickly and cause a loss of ranking in Google results. In fact, UX includes proper design, high quality content, keyword optimization, high speed, proper link building, and especially mobile version compatibility and the like. But as a digital marketing expert, I'm here to give you a new checklist today with the technical tips to increase the ranking and traffic of your website. Step number one, high loading speed and responsiveness of the website is the most important part in 2021 and the first step to start optimizing inside the website. I see many webmasters looking to get backlinks while their site is full of problems such as low page speed or poor UI design. What is the best solution for loading speed and UI? If you're using WordPress, use a special WordPress host such as SiteGround.com and use Hello Elementor theme and Elementor page builder. The combination of these two can create a professional and optimal design for you. I think this is the best suggestion for all beginners or everyone that wants to own a website quickly by at least cost. You can also speed up your website by doing things like optimizing images, reducing queries, comparing theme code by WP Fastest Cache Premium or WP Rocket. Step number two, publish high quality and unique content. In fact, a good content, a professional content, can consist of articles, photos, video, infographics, comments, lectures, and so on, provided that they are not copied from other websites. If you're only publishing text content and you want to get organic traffic from search results, you should include images, videos, even audio podcasts. This will increase your ranking and you will have a very competitive advantage with your other competitors. Step number three, optimize the page title and page description. When search engines come to your page, they first analyze the page title and page description. Each page should have a unique title to help search engines and users to understand what this page is all about. In fact, the page title is one of the most important ranking factors in your on-page SEO. But additionally, I should tell you a few other important points regarding page title optimization. Tip number one, add keywords to the beginning of the page title and if possible, use a related or long keyword in the page title. This will help search engine to understand the keywords of that page from beginning. Tip number two, don't spam your title from keywords and choose an attractive title for your page. This will increase the CTR for you. Tip number three, using the words such as best, newest, wonderful, amazing, step-by-step, impact, 2021, and the like can increase the CTR for you. Step number four, use the heading tags. A page must be properly structured. The title of your article should be H1 and its subcategory should be H2 and H3. Try to use the main keywords in your phrase heading. Step number 5, optimize the URL. URL optimization is one of the most important parts of on-page SEO, and that has a significant impact on the search engine understanding of your content. Try to make the URLs written in English as much as possible, and at the same time be short and meaningful. For example, domain.com/whatisSEO, not domain.com/SEO. The letter is too short and doesn't specify the exact content of that page. Step number 6, internal link building. Building internal links is also one of the most important factors in your on-page SEO. The first thing search engine do when they enter your page is check the outbound link of that page. This technique is a way to inform search engine about your other pages. When you link to your internal page with the anchor text, Google will better understand the target and keywords with the same anchor text and can give you a better ranking for you. This is to keep your search engine informed of most important pages, because each website has several pages that are more important than the other pages. Internal links is one of the ways to identify the most important page by sending more internal links to the desired page or target page. This will increase your page view and click-through rate between your other pages, and users will be able to access the rest of your pages more easily. But guys, I want to tell you the best internal link building techniques that are practical. Tip number 1, don't use only keywords for internal link building. Tip number 2, do internal link building whenever it is useful for user. And tip number 3, don't use too many internal link building and it causes my content spam and user dissatisfaction. Step number 7, external link building. After the release Panda and Penguin algorithm, many webmasters are afraid to link to other websites. But this is right, because by linking to the other related website and high quality website, you will make your website also gain high credibility. But note, you should not link to your potential competitors. And if your content has a credible source, be sure to mention the site as a main source at the end of article. This will Google a better understanding of your content as well. Step number 8, compatibility with the mobile version devices. Like I said at the beginning of this video, responsiveness of the website is of very high importance, and it is interesting to know that almost 60% of Google searches are made from mobile devices. This means that if your website is not compatible with the mobile version devices, you are already losing a lot of potential traffic. As a first step, make sure your website is mobile compatible. Check your website by Google Mobile Friendly tool and try to fix any possible problems. Then test your website on a mobile like real users and make sure that everything is displayed correctly, including the CTA buttons. Step number 9, increase website security. There are many million bots spread in the world of web and are looking for any way to infiltrate your website that can get hidden backlinks or create a spam for your website and cause it to be hacked. And this is very bad for your website. Website security must be configured from the beginning, and it's a very important issue. If you're using WordPress, the best suggestion for security configuration is to use some plugins such as Item Security or WordPress. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. By observing these simple points on your website, you can easily optimize on-page SEO. And good luck.